Happy Monday, everyone. Kirby is filming Jeff. What are you doing?
Trying to put this back together. Well, trying to take two carburetors and make one good one, really.
For the 81?
Yeah, for the 81. That had a couple of bent parts.
Oh.
A couple of bent parts.
And we got a new base that you're replacing. Okay. You cleaning up overspray?
We are masking, overspray, and re-undercoating some of the undercarriage here. Just getting it nice and cleaned up.
Nice.
Yeah, everything's pretty much drying and unmasking now.
Same car. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Reading.
Justin likes this dual USB charger, but we need it to be a CarPlay USB, so I'm taking apart to see if I can make it work as a USB instead of just a charger.
For what car?
The Bel Air.
Okay. What are you doing?
Tent strip.
Oh, okay. To put the Windlace to?
Yeah, with the Windlace. And here's too.
Nice.